Class 7, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 7, today we are going to start your new chapter number 4, moving ahead Flash CS3. So in your introduction to Flash, first of all, let's see recalling Adobe Flash CS3 interface. Adobe Flash CS3 interface. So Adobe Flash is a popular animation software students use for creating computer animation, and we can open it by clicking on Start All Program, Adobe Design Premium CS3, Adobe Flash Professional CS3. So the main components of the Flash window are shown below. Student is your first is your title bar, menu bar, layers, section, tools, panel, property, inspector, timeline, a frame, library, stage, flash document, window. So all are the components of a flash window. So Flash student is a standalone piece of software for producing and delivering high impact multimedia and web experiences. So developer use Flash to create beautiful, resizable and extremely small and compact navigational interfaces, technical illustrations, animation and other dazzling effects for presenting and websites. Now student, next is in this class working with Flash tools. So student, you can see first the eyedropper tool. So eyedropper tool, we can use the eyedropper tool for picking up colors and style from any existing lines, brush, stroke and fills and applying them to some other object. So the steps are follow students. So click the eyedropper tool in the tools panel, then the pointer change shape to an eyedropper. Second is click the line, stroke or fill whose formatting you want to pick up, then depending upon what you want to do, and click on the ink bottle tool or paint bucket tool choose. So click the line, stroke or fill to which you want to apply the picked up formatting. Then the required formatting will get applied. So you can see in this picture pick color and after filling the drawing. So this is a eyedropper tool. Now next is your free transform tool student. The free transform tool allow us to resize, move or rotate an object drawn and or imported on the stage. So steps are follows. First is your draw or import an object on the stage. You can use the file import option to import the object drawing. Then use the selection tool to select the object. Select the free transform tool. After a transform border will appear around the object with 8 resizing handles. So next fourth is to move the object to a new position. So bring the mouse pointer over the selected object. Then when the pointer changes shape to the arrow icon, so drag the object to move it to a new position. So now you can see a vertical resizing handle, horizontal resizing handle, transform order, corner resizing handle. So after you can see next bottom side rotating, rotate the object, move the object. So all are free transform tools. Now next is your student resizing the object. So resizing steps are first of all bring the mouse pointer over a corner handle. The pointer change shapes to the icon, then the drag corner handle carefully to increase and decrease the size of the object proportionality. Then drag the transform border from the vertical and horizontal resizing handles to increase the height or width of the object respectively. So now you can see in this picture resizing the object. Two pictures are given in this your figure book. So you can see resizing the object. So you can resize easily in this picture. Now next student, you can see next is your text tool. So the student text tool allow us to type the text on the stage. So the steps to use this tools are given below. First is click on the text tool to select it, then click on the stage at the place where you want to insert the text. After small text box appear on the stage, blinking cursor inside, and then you can type your text at the cursor position. Notice that you type text box expand accommodate text typed by you. So if you want to type in the next line, just press the enter key, the cursor will shift to the next line. So this is the text tool in this Flash. So type text in the text box given in your Flash document. So it's very easy to create a Flash in a document. So this is a type text tool. Now class 7. Now next is setting the text property. So how to set a property, text property. So we select the text in the text property option, the property inspector. Change to display the properties that Flash allow us to set for our text. So first of all, click and select a font from the font drop down list. Then second, select a font size from here. Third step, click and select a font color from the drop down color plating. Fourth, click to apply bold italic styling to the text. Then fifth, click to set the element of the text to the left, right, center, justify. Sixth, last point, click to set the orientation of the text to a horizontal or vertical. So the student tip, you can convert the text into an image by selecting it and then choosing the break apart option from the modify menu to is after converting text into an image and you cannot edit it. So this is the setting the text property in Flash document. So next is tools in Flash. So now you can see in the tools. So this is a tools toolbar in a Flash software. First is a arrow, second line, pen, oval, pencil, ink bottle, eyedropper. So this is eyedropper tool, hand, tools, modifiers. Other than you can see a sub selection, lasso tool, text, rectangle, brush, paint bucket, eraser, zoom, stroke color, fill color. So all our students, this is a Flash toolbox, Flash toolbar in your document in the software. Okay. So student, go through and learn all this toolbar. So class 7, so just go through and learn properly tools in a Flash software, and your today's homework is revise all this topic in Flash document.